Menteri Rangba Khubor konrat ke sangma hene kesngi ula pentep hagieng dorbar bana ki 20HAJAR ngut ki ba apply na ka CM elevate kumba 20HAJAR ngut ki dei ki ba Jied ka kamri Jingri. Ya kani Menteri Rangba ula jubab halor ka jingkeli bawan ra ru MLE ka mau kerwat ba renekton el tongkar la ka sorkar kala ane ban penkelano ka kamri Jingri kum ka kam karkhana khnang ba kinong rep kin khamyo jingmentoi.
Sir, there are many programs that we are giving subsidies, sir. For example, the Progress program, which we started last year, where we were distributing piglets, and chicks and, different kind of livestock. We were distributing to different farmers through this Progress Meghalaya program. That was one of the programs that we had started. Now, sir, one of the most important programs that we're going to have, which almost every member is aware about, which we are calling the CM Elevate program. And so in the CM Elevate program, we have a very large component of subsidy for farmers and especially for livestock. In fact, sir, you will be quite surprised to learn that we have received 30,000 applications for CM Elevate in a matter of 2 months, and 20,000 of them are for livestock rearing. And we will be providing 50% subsidy from the state government side to these different beneficiaries, which means that if the farm will cost, say, 10 lakhs, then 5 lakhs will be supported by the state government. And we intend to see the possibility and ways in which we can expand it even further in the future.